Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror from opposite the Dorabji Mall in Undri. As you can see behind me, there are water tanks, huge overhead water tanks, which were supposed to supply water to the Undri and Mohammadwadi residents and NIBM Road residents, have been lying empty for as long as one can remember. In this tank, dangerous event took place in December 2023 when a young girl, Insia, from the Bhori community, was coaxed and got here by two friends who took her up right to the top of the tank and probably tried to force themselves on her. When she resisted, she either fell into the empty tank, which is 40 feet deep, or she was pushed. The fire brigade was called at 9:25 a.m. They came and rescued her. These tanks are not full, they're not being filled. The PMC is saying that the pipelines have not been made, but the local residents say that the tanker mafia is not letting these tanks get filled, the pipes get repaired. So the local residents are depending on tanker water, for which they have to pay crores of rupees. We are right opposite the Dorabji Mall in Undri, and right opposite this mall are these huge water tanks that you can see. These tanks which have been tastefully decorated with animals and fishes have been lying empty for as long as one can remember. While the residents of Undri and Mohammadwadi are starved for water, dependent on the tanker mafia, these tanks just lie empty. The PMC seems to have said that the pipeline work is still incomplete. One wonders how long will the pipeline work be incomplete, and these tanks, which were made by using crores of money of the taxpayers, are just lying empty. Pune Times Mirror covered a very interesting and a semi-horrifying incident at this place in December 2023 when a young girl whose name from the Bhori community, whose name is Insia, a 16-year-old girl from Konakpuram, stepped out of her house to take water. Two of her friends met her, coaxed her to join them. She didn't inform anyone at home, and as you can see in the distance, they took her right up that ladder and probably tried to force themselves on her. When she resisted, she either fell into the empty tank, which is around 40 feet deep, or she was pushed. More likely she was pushed. The fire brigade was informed at 9:25 p.m. in the night when they rushed, saved the girl who was unconscious because she had fallen into an empty tank 40 feet down. So that is another side of these empty tanks opposite the Dorabji Mall, as you can see here, opposite the Irani Cafe. These tanks, which are supposed to supply drinking water to the residents of Undri, who are starved for water, who don't have any water, and are reliant on the tanker mafia to supply water, for which they spend crores of rupees every year. The local residents told Pune Mirror that it's probably the tanker mafia who, in cahoots with the PMC, is not letting these tanks be filled, the pipeline be repaired, so that they can supply water at their women fancy and at their cost. So these tanks, which the PMC had built to supply water, these are huge tanks, and there are 3 of them, as you can see. These tanks were to supply water to the residents of Undri, Mohammadwadi, and all this area that you see here and around here, okay, have been lying empty for the past decade or so. Residents say the tanker mafia, in collaboration with the PMC, is not letting these tanks get filled, the pipes get repaired. which is a shame because the residents of Undri and Mamadwadi and NIBM Road are starved for water, which the tanker mafia obliges them by delivering it. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror from opposite the Dorabji Mall. And these empty tanks, huge overhead tanks, water tanks,